Most people think they're allergic to cat fur. They're not. The real culprit is a protein called FeLD1 found in a cat's saliva and skin. Every time a cat grooms itself, this protein goes airborne, and ginger male cats, they produce more of it than almost any other type. So that cute orange boy sitting on the armchair is basically a walking allergen factory. But here's the twist. People exposed to cats before age 1 often never develop the allergy at all. Their immune system just adapts. Some people are simply built different.